Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Monica, so you know the fear. Monica, you know even the fear. When they move, Monica no via tuari. Lareo, oh that somewhere. Ge, ole gogoro ge, ni bomuria. Nuwe yo una ju, una muamuwe, una yo nyamani, una kumbe mani tuore. Emani, when a destiny yari loto, emani still so when a destiny yari loto. Abioma ve me we mare. Monica, where beg I want that for where he room. Monica, one mother move what mamma of your selling. Of your selling where Mukian where here I get destiny. May I understand. Of your selling where Mukian where your donny of your selling. Of your sick paloni of your backbone where Mukian where I get destiny. Monica. Oh, I remember what you bush me to your level. Ni je bout biti yari wa obi e ba avan wa o ta kekere gile ne gbe oko o we ya gyo da fu we no yo bini o da fu we no li gbo na jinwina no yo money akpa mu we ya hwenya Monica o mu we Monica o we you destiny you are a very stupid man no me no say na we too stupid. So when I go say, Umagwalo bono here agbe Monica wa. Umagwali pakpera ni ya sale Monica gbeni amana ti gbeni ami omokpa. Destiny. So I dey running we was spray ni make agbon yala. Destiny. Ni area kokoju Monica yen ri ogo vi ewa son ogia since how many years now? 2 years the Monica ya ti e bonwe. Destiny. Umati bi Monica nu mi omokpa so destiny. Umaiti kyoja no ro wegbe onu gwalo ma no ke ya gboti en wa wedo. Destiny. Monica ni ra bi je mu area we by the age of 13 years old. Or even Google granny her destiny. Here we go aya pe no sense yen gbere so we wa na go ni owi akiko pa. Owi akiko be akiko wi yon. Orion mu wela di odo aji nwe inwe no vun gboda fun keke vivie odo ya hu we gbe destiny vi hu we venu we na nego o ma gwalo ma no hia mu Monica venenu be for flat no mani o ga ti gbe Monica wa hu What? Go. Take it. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Hey, destiny. So you go in we one and you we one e kwa ka bo bonore doni kata na we ayoja we boni ne ave bonore doni. I kata na we ayoja ne ga hinwina. Monica na muwe ma kave we ne ra ho era na mu ekone ija ipano ekona gwalo ma no hia mu ade webo oyi gugwe gwani ha hogi gugwe gwani Monica no ma make iya wa Bruce na ya bi ya ma na 20 million naira cash o gugwe gwan we no hostable of 20 million naira who hosted one night. Destiny, where are you? Where are you, Destiny? Are you sleeping? Destiny, where you are? Destiny, are you sleeping? Ah, Bruce, no, when our we call. Where beggar money go where gone? E mani ma ehue. Eh, Bruce, no, Monica Lareo, o wanga mo Bruce Ladian we o dafin no. We na Bruce ni wa jeni o na mo Ladian o dafun no. Le Facebook na we ne yo ne. We ye potopota ya win ya one. In short, I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. Monica. O wanga mu what rive mu we. Ave gile ni wona no ru gbo o we ya give ya kiko na Bruce. A Bruce ni ayo nya life ene. A Bruce ne life igi gwe. Monica. O we mu what rive mu we. A destiny we ya o a toothpick when we ya zakon. Destiny true to God. O manati gwaleni we Monica o we family yen get we wa be zuwa. Umaiti kame Monica umanati we Monica umanati gbodiano riyo Destiny udiano riyo na mi no mu ya woda fun esana umanati saloji yen gbe yen wu we bi o wa apo me bere gbugwe e ma ta bi me go ba ya me 100 million wo wa me na aru opa ka ma me wo wa mai iho ni yari nonsense yin agbonre. Destiny when on hosted table of 20 for 20 million naira. Obi o kan panya wo da fun e wo ko gbo ni anse bani. O wa be won wa ne government money eyan ma ti asigo go wa no ne 1 euro we Facebook. O ma na yo nyane. O ma ne ru wala ya ogi no wodo. O ma be sheshe get father ya ogi no wodo. Ona okpa mi sikan o tie bonu we. O ye potopoto ya wo we. Okay, dem no he yak pin when ye gbo were na Destiny. Destiny. In when I no dana ga yo wa one na. In when no mu you work na wa hin ya pe yen gbuwere Destiny.
So Warner, how do you like Los Angeles? It's big.
Oh my God. Ay. La wo in when no atuari no be dokpolo nera bi je mu la we at the age of 12 years old nera this virgin. In when I am you work bena or badi gear street I am opposite something. Wamaya gwalem wakia what you and no way. Oh, Wamana take by what give bossy wa repair to coma. Repair to coma. Is a disgrace for you though. And if ye Lare ikaka ma na we mani gbiju we o munya we men weje egbe we me no dey we 43 years uje if ye 43 years you are still behaving like a kid kindergarten we ye behaving e mani razilo we ye behaving one mon razilo if ye we ye behaving e moni razilo if ye you are under a spell. And then when my bavier, when he Facebook street, by our beggar way, on our do make women. If you let it where mu way, you gonna walk where Moji when I got you. Uwe manami mano guwe a spiritual way we work baby ladian we guwe gone where we are when. I know who, I know her, I know ne, I know say, where mu where? Abia boni ya gbalo we ni yen meze dia be ran ya blenders microwave TV going eru wala we emi no do we se we hen ya asemi no roto na eru wala because awonu rie bare ayela la ro magu we riere ile on age o wana tu arrive toni anda be bypass wa da fon we wa kian eru wala no wa ya de mortgage we London wa o wa da fon we ma ti win na no wa ya de mortgage. Oh, Tonoredo, oh, Wahin Yahin, Wamugo Adewebon, Waya, de mortgage, Waowa, Eruwa, Lave Yahweh in London, they don't who get tickets in London, Ave Yahweh. Because was your Ike? Woja tu arikenu ya we egi no wodo. Even who wait the ticket in na wabe ya we egi no wodo. Ne kwemu. Du mezedo nu dan. Eki ane twen. Eki ane twen. Yahu. Ritualist Yahu man. Du mezedo. Ritualist Yahu man du mezedo. Aka Papa Uwala of Netherlands. Even on there who the ticket here, why are we gino evani? Umaya mama no bie. Du mezedo. Umaya mama no bie. Waya hin akekwa, we wa hin ake ya akeke. Ivie a shame and disgrace. Although la we gbe Facebook now. A step up by Facebook inare. Because you might with Facebook. Is here another like Facebook whether there's $600 in a week. And does every week $600. Then we yak we na una. We are working with Facebook. Why me wana gwaze do any ye joy kai umuwe mugie. Wa kekwa. Wow. A family of Monica ya fefe no na from head to toe. And Bruce no ma so when a destiny ya li loto e bata ne destiny gba Bruce ma so e. Oh wow don when I ga we junkie. Ekwe muwa.
Yeah. So let's have a little time and flash next.
Ekwe muwa.
Small, but this one's for one more. You want me to get you in? No thanks. Come on, man.
All we need we word it and we word or a tita or a tita because he me one hand word. Ovieri me one no. Or a tita a tita I don't know. In here but destiny yakbo ya yegbere. This insult on Facebook is too much. Igo aya gwagbogwe ni degbe. Destiny, this insult is too much in your body. Go and make sure you deal with that girl called Monica. This insult is too much. She has been giving it to you, but yesterday night I couldn't sleep. I was sleepless. Please. Please. Please.
Were you formerly Mona Hawkins?
Please. Ya yi gonna yakbegbe or wegbe. Dana wegbe la gogo pagbe. Pagbe evie, me ma seti vie na. La gogo pagbe destiny. In any way you can fight in the Monica na no settlement. Eri bawe bogioma motai. Oma no like koma ori bawe bogioma. Oma no like koma ori bawe bogioma. No ma like koma o me na ya wo ma underground. U ya mo egba you weran. Iye invoke spirit you weran. Egbeni an we vie na. Iye boy no ma ma de di bieka. Iti akoli we no de wa amwe phone ni make na rovie we. Ugo we ave single me atosti we. Ukwe do mother for me mana lega we aka mo ega zizahin igba we mweran. Do mother fi me. We do mother fi me mi atie no ba enu we no we do mu we tu gwa lo second wife hiam hiam. Iye boy we do mother fi me. Nu gele na bo tu bo no mama no we do ni. Bono mama no we doni ni me kam we bo exist am we me come 21 days o mani ameme mana we 21 days awari ejo mana we so pe ni go e da we owo we any body no riri yada fun ya fi alase yen ya mu emi mi ro pa wi e ma ta ye boy e ma ta uwu do riri mana gbo we no re doni e tie won wa iya mana mo bibio wo no redo ni no so ame overnight e tie won wa e ma ta agbon ya gbe kan agbon ya gbe kan agbon ya fefefe awa gbe kan imu bibio we iye ri owo koko du wa son we mi kene benati kian wa gavan gi orebe agi ohun o ti kian owo we odafiyen e ma ta evie mi unri ladian be ba ni evie wa mi unri ladian o ga argument no e mi unri ladian uwo ya ta Uwoyata. Oh, what other phone? Any other phone will be this. If I be Destiny, I go start from Monica family from house. My sister, now that one they pay me. You be this pretty Osagi. The thing they pay me, this idiot where they carry enter abroad at the age of 12 years old. He too they insult that boy. They pay me. Destiny we want to go qua for nothing. So even when you were mighty yakioja negbuwe Destiny. Umighty yakioja negbuwe Destiny go in we one and you mighty yakioja negbuwe. You ya deal with undana. Truth to God, the piece is that better lawe Monica di me no. A piece that be lawe Monica. I make sure a family ni ya hinto no gbevi. A piece that be lawa. On tient gwalo me na gwalo me ki amiene. Oh where? Akwa be rawe Destiny. I'm sorry. I apologize. Ori blue abiora ole. Apologize. Ori blue abiora ole. Mata. When Monica wan Bruce no my who no yin €1 le Facebook here. Monica wan gbon we hin. Where go we that fu we get to wa you people are dead among the living. Oh, don't know money in web here no how money here. You know the eye in Facebook. Imagine Monica wants sell land, take buy us for UK. Yes, now that will not be new topic again now. Our truth now. Me too. She blocked my 2 accounts. That will not be new topic again. And Papa Wala, I want to help them buy the land. They don't buy ticket. Now they come London. Want come for your husband presents. Then they use until they do ritual. Or that for yeah, we ritual now. Way when go Bruce a junkie no. So any magin we know. Eru wala wa way. Bruce ya washing ya. Or Bruce or you ni sa eru wala di jouer ya jam on your jam lock. Bruce ya you or you ni sa eru wala wa di jouer yan so amu egba. Ave mani yo wa. Ave manu wa ma go wa gbon we hin Monica. O ma gbon we hin wodo o teme wa no teme wodi wa hin o we ri ame wodi wa hin o we na wodi ya di loto o han agu we ya di loto o han agu we ya o we na wodi ya di loto o han agu we ya di loto a wa salwa nene wodi no o ke kave no sef so me mother de only a topic on the topic e de na so e no roto na ivie no man we kita we ni we iya we anga we vie we ga we kron we agbela wilo ivie uni da hwe kata ari Jennifer Collins TV ikakpe message gwe uni da hwe vie uni da hwe 1 year straight 1 year every day wa ya hwe uni da hwe gwalo no kian wi pakpera gwe nu ya hwe every night because ya gbalo we ya mu pakpera we in sense we gigwe ya ri ekpane enwe we ya ri enjoy enwe we ya na me we the reasons ya na ri nekita ekita ya ri sense we na ya na ri oge we nya we no se we na igbokian lele ya awani vie ki Facebook itie bon na reply vie we go mani e we no because e vie o managbon because o ga managbon uyin no wa fly lele ya kian mother of 3 no da fu we pasu we enu gele work on yourself. No work on yourself. No way yes say go then you see na ya agwale ni kian. Wo awa gogojo. Yen wo awa mekia e boyfriend we gu yen ye keni na le se we enu ya demi un e obi Cameroon no reba ni na be lobieke. Ne mi otolu we a. When you are koka gwe Nigeria no ya ahio de totolo we. Uri aboliki by koka no ya ahun no ya hunye ba ni. Owo we Cameroon ye wa be se we na Africa market ye ke we ni ye rona mula wona we ivie e kwede de mo ya hu ya o we wari so ijo we ma we kia na re anu sivie abijo e ma ro we dia ma ro we bu mi adeni ro we uhun depression ya we Monica ya viex ko be ni vie ya la life iya we life my dead become anybody ni vie la life no iya tie bo ni vie anybody no really le vie ko life for one must to destroy so people beware of vie anybody ni vie le ku anybody ni vie le ku o ma ni oranyo dukun oranye lada ni asi koto people should beware of vie people please Beware of Ivie. Beware of Ivie. Ivie not be human being. People, beware of Ivie. Ivie not be human being. Ivie is dead among the living. Now, Monica confessed yesterday before she come out yesterday. Who know things say who ordinary hands, Destiny and Esther are not sleeping and are not sleeping. No, not be so that they do that kind of person. No. Edede na mumu, is this you? Na me or that must just part na me. No, this kind juju where they do so me not like amu. Oroto, wani people wait know me. Muna ask them. Mana me come that 21 days. No be saying a lie. Mana me come on 21 days. They mani me. No say mana only lad on Facebook. 21 days. Mana ve awa before flat no ma. Eta bata re no. I will buy 4 flats for you. I'm ve. Ekene word na hia Esther hia say word ya. Esther go hia we kene word na hia. E word oviera me no when kene word na hia e word. E try word E Monica agbe kan word e word yen we bo be Nigeria. E word we hia agukun. E word. E word oviera me no e compound okpa ma na wan compound okpa ma we word na wan. E word na mo Monica gbe. Nesta ya owi ye korion won. Word iwe bo be Nigeria. Word we bo be Nigeria. Outside country word na webo. Word yen me dian etie so wa. Word na mo Monica word da fun egba. Hendi hiara no ni awe Facebook na. Facebook na akia bere Monica agbon ya kian join ya ye black in Monica word da fun word Monica kian fi lupegi. Word. Masho wa na ti word. Ikpakperan to boy. Iye Destiny go awe bo we kene word digi. Please, my beautiful sister, help me put madness for if you not even need madness again. If you're not ready, they mad. You know they see that girl. Mona know say see people with that psychopath they worry. Mona they see them. If she enter video, she gonna do like this. She gonna use her to do her face like this. That girl, she not settle. I don't know person where do that girl something. They settle down, they kill her mother, they can't settle down, do her, they can't carry her father high come on for where she did. They settle down, do her. No, no, they wash her. She not they settle. That girl not they settle. That girl they mad oh. Honestly oh. Forget say she they go walk. Ama when no me jugbo. No me talk kokore aha. She's mad. From that UK to Ikeja, now go end up. Monica don't die now. Share this video. I bet me share this video. Me approko Karen. Why Monica? When you this virgin, you na gwalomano hiamu. Wuga manera. At the age of 12 years, you na yakmane. Ko na muwe adie webu. Monica, you are just 37 years. They bang babe 37 years. Ulewebo 20 years ago. I be 1998. Monica Lawebo. That is 24 years ago. 23 years ago. 23 years ago. She's just 37 now. Oh, we again, friend the boy Destiny. Where Monica? Even ye push to yari breakfast. Oh, we go go. Oh, where? Destiny, umana seti ni adomu biye Monica o wa son mi ye wetu we wa be o wa igo ninu we wa ni rubbish go o le u me gagbon umana ti gian ni adomu bia son ye Monica o e wani ye we mi no wan ro Destiny la ye dore la ye Nigeria re e wani ye mu me ko ma yan ro e wani ye we no mas bibizozu ayan ye ro. Sisi ye gwaluwe we ye kan ye we de amune wi mai ori agwasa goloku na lao adaji wo de na lao adaji wo de yes e conveyance on your wa o obi we awe ni wa cross upo imoto e wa gbeye wa ni flat Where me rock, where mo de kun ku what that from? Or de kun. Okay, temptation I like with temptation. Destiny, where are your money?
What are you doing?
Destiny, you go where you go na you go.
Don't you think it's better if we clear things?
Destiny, where is your money?
Well, I don't think it's me that you need to...
Destiny, you go where you? Uma ti jigo na ya kyoja negbo wa mi ni vieta we no de vie we tu we gberu we yari azigo. Ivie we ru we destiny we gbe yari azigo. Destiny, where are you? Where are you? Are you sleeping? This riffraff. Ibieka ni amula we bonodo gbigbe ajaneri yan vision ze vision ari rae. O itie bonu we no yegbe we no jun ya gba me amu igona. Where are you? Where are you? Waiting can't ever pay me pass. Now say destiny can't even they write Monica. What a this? Can you imagine? Insult upon injury. I don't know why Destiny even did this Facebook first. Destiny, you don't need Facebook here. Okay, wait till that one come in now. Come the day Facebook, they lavish money. Destiny, take 10 million away from your money. Where is the 10 million naira? Monica, what that for? Ya get it there yet in Monica, what that for? Ya get it where you let it. He? What they give me your power? Orikolo. Oda fun we ni we bere ga we rirun. Oda fun eyo oyo bibi agbe wa why mo bibi e. Wa mi yan na mi wu Destiny. We ni am bibi Bruce na bi yo isi agbe Monica wa ju wa eva ni sisi yan eva live ku gbe ne. O wa re o pie do po we ya gbe wa. E police kere Monica gu na wo wa mo bibi yan. Ew. What did not say when na Monica na ka all ka yezo ya wene na what the Destiny no ni ahon because what the me what the kakabo what the every year what the every money and night no ya go all ya revenge ma we matter no roto na my cousin what ivie ikwe dem we okpia no love ye ku wene no we no oga ataya na yawe ya make caricature ina yawe ya make joke getu we blow ewun so ina yawe ya make joke mani we owe we Cameroon wa Africa market ogen yen ko ede ona o we gine beds ivie ikama we gi won are Nigeria we ni are kon kagwe ya hwiwe we ni de totolo we uwe agatolo we when ya huye. Precious Meg, may I leave this message for you. I beg my sister, they get shame small. I use God beg you. Get small shame for your private parts. You can't lovely live video they talk say you fist coy. Now make you the fat. Say whether you know they fuck. Now wait till they talk for public be that. A old mature woman. Precious Meg, the last time where I check your age, you are 45 years old. A old matured woman. See what you they talk for your mouth, Precious Meg. You know the shame. What you not concern you? They use until they rub your body. You know all this matter where they grant, so you not concern you. You not concern you, but you just they carry the matter for it. I see send a gala now you want to go sell for a kiosk market. You not concern you. This matter not concern you. I know say they be your farm, but not be the way where you open live video come they disgrace yourself. Precious Meg, a old big woman like you just come and say because of that one whether you know they fuck. Can you imagine? Talk about fuck on national on CCTV. People where they watch they pass 1 million where you go come watch that video tomorrow. They talk about yourself when nobody even they talk to you, Precious Meg. Nobody they even they refer to you. You don't they talk to yourself. Precious Meg, what did they do you? I don't even know say so you be. I say you even get some more sense for your brain. What did they happen, Precious Meg? All those food where you they sell for there, I love it. They sell your food, they do your market. No, they involve yourself. If you want to involve yourself, come out, talk to. No, they use yourself till they describe Ivie. Precious men. No, they use yourself till they describe Ivie. Even though your name don't first spoil, but people never know say your name spoil where for Facebook. Come they use yourself till they imitate Ivie. Ivie where don't rot finish, where they want go throw away. Ivie where they smell. They use your gallant self till they imitate that Ewobi. That idiot fellow. We not get front, he not get back, he not get waist, he not get anything. Iye boy, he can't time away. What that from or that thing or no door. Wa mo that from me is illegal.